Welcome to MEAI. In this video, I will show you how to securely create a read-only API key on Binance to connect your account to our ecosystem. First, log into your Binance account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select API Management from the drop-down menu. Click the Create API button and choose the system-generated option for a quick setup. Next, enter a label for your key, such as MEAI tracking, and complete the security verification using your email or authenticator app. Once verified, your API key and secret key will appear on the screen. It is critical that you copy and save both keys immediately in a secure place, as the secret key will be hidden forever once you leave this page. By default, the Enable Reading restriction is checked, which means MEAI can only view your portfolio data without the ability to trade or withdraw funds. Your connection is now secure and ready to use. Paste these keys into the MEAI app to start your intelligent tracking journey.